if you feel your best, you look your best. And I've always felt my best wearing Sabya's clothes. When it comes to an outfit or a garment, there's nothing more endless and timeless like a sari.
When we think about time, there's so many different ways to think about it. We did a lot of research on archival portraits of like Parsi nobility, beautiful Indians wearing delicate pastel saris. And I think what Sabya did for us is he contemporized that sari. So we have additional drapes, we have beautiful fringing. And I think to actually move forward, you can't not look into the past. And I think that's what we've done to create our Garden of Time.
Take a moment to express gratitude. Slay, Queen. You did it.